Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be replacing some control arm bushings in a 2015 Chevy Equinox. So these are the bushings that I'll be installing. These are from AutoZone. These are the Duralast control arm bushings, and these are actually pretty close to the OEM control arm bushings. So there's a couple of these, driver and passenger side. So the bushing is located right there at the rear of the control arm. Zoom in, there it is. We are going to need to remove some bolts and loosen the control arm so we can pull out that bushing. So I'll have a list of the items listed in the comment section, as well as some helpful captions throughout the video. So with that said, let's start mechanicking. Okay, so both control arm bushings have been installed. I also had to use a floor jack to be able to line up the lower control arm and the bracket here. And there's really no other way to line it up. So that's a tip for you there to make your life a little easier. Other than that, both bushings installed. All right, well, all that's left to do now is put the tires back on and project complete. So I'll have a link in the description below with the control arm bushings that I use in this installation. If you guys have any questions, please do in the comment section. We'll try to get to them as soon as I can. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.